Welcome to the comprehensive course on Agentic RAG AI agents, where we unlock the next frontier in artificial intelligence by introducing you to powerful systems that combine autonomous agents with advanced retrieval-augmented generation for smarter decision-making and actions. This program is specifically designed for AI developers, data scientists, and tech professionals who are eager to master advanced retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, integrated within intelligent agent systems to handle complex tasks more effectively. Discover how AI agents can leverage RAG techniques for smarter, more precise information retrieval and highly effective decision-making processes, transforming even the most complex tasks into streamlined, fully autonomous operations that save time and boost efficiency. Our curriculum begins with Agentic AI fundamentals, where we lay a solid groundwork for understanding how these intelligent systems operate, covering the basic principles and architectures that make them tick. You'll then dive deep into RAG core concepts, exploring the detailed mechanisms behind efficient and highly accurate information retrieval, including how queries are processed and relevant data is fetched. Next, we guide you through building agentic workflows, teaching you practical steps to design and implement sophisticated multi-step AI agent processes that can handle sequential tasks seamlessly. The course progresses to advanced techniques, covering essential topics like tool use for external interactions, memory management for retaining context, and robust evaluation methodologies to measure and improve your agent's performance. You'll gain practical experience through hands-on projects, where you apply all the theoretical knowledge to realistic real-world scenarios, building and testing your own agentic systems. Finally, we cover deployment and scaling strategies in depth, ensuring your agentic RAG systems are fully production-ready, performant, and capable of handling large-scale operations without issues. Upon completion, you'll be fully equipped to implement sophisticated agentic RAG pipelines from initial conception all the way through to successful execution in live environments. You'll master the design of autonomous agents that are capable of navigating complex information landscapes with ease and making intelligent, context-aware decisions every time. Learn to optimize retrieval mechanisms in RAG for unparalleled accuracy and relevance, ensuring your agents always access and utilize the most pertinent information available quickly. Integrate diverse tools and APIs seamlessly into your agents, expanding their capabilities to interact with external systems effectively and perform a wide array of real-world actions. Crucially, you'll develop the essential skills to debug issues thoroughly and rigorously evaluate agent performance, ensuring reliability, identifying weaknesses, and enabling continuous improvement. By the end of this course, you will be able to build production-ready agentic RAG systems that are robust, scalable, and ready to deploy in demanding professional settings. You'll confidently solve complex, real-world tasks using advanced AI agents, pushing the boundaries of what's possible by automating intricate processes with precision and intelligence. Apply your newfound expertise to develop innovative applications such as highly intelligent chatbots for customer service, sophisticated research assistants for data analysis, and dynamic content generation platforms for creative workflows. This course is ideal for developers and machine learning engineers who possess foundational knowledge in Python programming and basic AI concepts, ready to advance further. If you're currently building intelligent applications and aspire to elevate your skills with the latest cutting-edge agentic systems, this comprehensive program is perfectly tailored for you. Don't miss this unique opportunity to transform your AI capabilities and lead the charge in agentic AI innovation, staying ahead in a rapidly evolving field. Enroll now and embark on your exciting journey to becoming a true expert in agentic RAG AI agents, unlocking endless possibilities for your career.